With the legendary strength of the mighty Nordic god, the Thor pressure washer range has the power to conquer the toughest of cleaning jobs. Agricultural, marine, industrial, construction. Multiple operators can simultaneously harness the Thor's incredible cleaning power, greatly increasing efficiency. With flows to 41 litres per minute, pressures to 400 bar, and 4 models to choose from, you can be sure there is a performance to match your task. Industry, the Thor has been designed to operate in the most demanding environments. To eliminate harmful vibration, the Thor's heavy-duty trolley is fitted with our tried and tested Superflex anti-vibration system and pneumatic wheels. And when the job is done, the Thor quickly and easily rolls away. A major feature of the Thor is the unique VibroFlex drive system. Located in between the engine and gearbox, it eliminates the damaging on-off stresses that can occur when a conventional solid-to-hollow shaft drive is used. Thor's incredible cleaning power is achieved by combining a world-leading Interpump 66 series with the ultra-reliable Hatz 23-horsepower twin-cylinder diesel engine. The control panel incorporates an hour meter, key start, and warning lights. For on-site safety, an integral wheel brake is fitted. An optional 40-meter capacity hose reel is also available. Tough jobs demand the best, and the mighty Thor delivers.